Hi, so this is my unboxing of the Akaso heated scarf. Ordered from Amazon because it's starting to get really cold here in New England. Uh, so let's see what's in here. Alright. Okay. The standard packaging from Amazon. Alright. Came in one piece. Delivery was also very quick. Got it in a one-day delivery. Okay, so this comes in a really cool packaging, almost like, you know, very presentable, and you can almost just put a ribbon on it and, like give it as a gift. All right, so let's see what's inside. All right. Okay, here we go. Okay, so you have the scarf right here. Okay, and of course you have, all right, it's Akaso Club. Okay, it just looks like a membership card or something. Let's see, and you have, of course, the manual, some safety precautions. Okay, and then you have, okay, the specifications of the product, operations instruction, very important. You have to go through this and read it. Okay, and of course, with anything that runs on battery, you have to be concerned about fire hazard. Some kind. Okay, and then what do we have here? Okay, so this must be the battery pack. Okay, so it's 5,000 mAh power bank. Okay, so this, yeah, this I think this is how it works. Yeah. Okay. Put this around your neck like that. Okay. And looks like this is the power button, and you have a pocket right here for the battery pack. Okay, and this is the battery pack. You have USB connectors right there. I think this is for charging. Okay, you have the power button, and right here's the power indicator. Okay, let's see how much power you have in there. Alright, so it's not fully charged, but it definitely has some power in there right out of the box. Alright, so let's see. So USB connector right here. Okay, it's right in there. Okay. Right. Okay, so now I have the scarf on. Okay, so to turn it on, I'm going to press and hold for 3 seconds. Okay, and now you can see that the switch turned red. I don't know if you can see that, but it did turn red, and it's going to start to blink, and it's going to go into the highest power, 100%, which is about 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, if you don't do anything in 5 minutes, it will automatically divert to medium power. I think it's a safety feature because the highest setting is very hot. So in order for you to switch to the medium level, you just have to press it once, and you can see that it turned blue, indicating that you're now on the medium level, which is about 131 degrees, right? And if you press it again, you're gonna go to the lowest setting, okay? And that is the blue light right there, and that is about 113 degrees. Okay, so if you, the manual says that if you, see, if you don't touch it, if you don't press the button, it will shut down in 45 minutes. And right now I can feel at the lowest setting, it's still very hot. Yeah, it's probably because I'm indoors. So outdoors, I guess you appreciate it more. All right, so to turn it off, okay, you have to press and hold the button for 3 seconds, and it's off. All right, it's pretty cool. Can't wait to try this out.